Hello, and welcome to Inspire Academy. Today, we're going to take a look at restaurants. So, Unit 15, restaurants, and we're going to take a look at the types of restaurants, restaurant words, how to make a reservation, how to interact with a waiter or a waitress or a server, and how to order. There are many different kinds of restaurants, but the most common restaurants are fine dining, fast food, buffet, and casual dining. Fine dining is a little bit more expensive. It takes about 2 or 3 hours, and there's many courses usually to the meal. Fast food is less expensive, faster, and yeah, basically faster and less expensive food. Buffet, you have a big variety, lots of choices on a buffet. You pay one price and you can choose what you want to eat and how much you want to eat. Casual dining is also full service like a fine dining restaurant, except it's more laid back, it's more comfortable, it's more family friendly, and it's a little bit more affordable than a fine dining restaurant. These are the four main types of restaurants. Of course, there are many, many other kinds of restaurants, including international cuisines. Let's talk about making a restaurant reservation. So here's a script. There's a lady, she's making a reservation at a restaurant. And she called the restaurant to make the reservation. So Robin works at the restaurant and she answered the phone. Melanie is making the reservation. She wants to go to the restaurant. Steakhouse Restaurant. This is Robin speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to make a reservation for Friday, December 30th at 8 p.m.
We are fully booked on Friday. We do have an 8 p.m. opening on Saturday. Would you like me to reserve that table for Saturday?
Yes, Saturday would be fine.
How many people are in your party?
Just 2 people. And can we have a table by the window?
Yes, we have a table by the window with a beautiful view. I will reserve that one.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. My pleasure. Have a great day. There were no tables available for Friday, so Robin suggested Saturday, and Melanie agreed. That is a very polite way of making a restaurant reservation. Restaurant nouns. Number one, if you look at the picture, number one is a reservation. They often put a card or a plaque or something on the table that shows that the table is reserved for somebody who made a reservation. So number one is a reservation. 2, a table. 3, a booth. 4, a kitchen. 5, silverware. 6, menu. 7, a chef or a cook. 8, a server or a waiter or waitress. 9, a host or a hostess, the person who shows you to your table. 10, the bill, how much your meal costs that you have to pay at the end of your meal or at the beginning sometimes. Number 11, bar, where you order alcoholic drinks or non-alcoholic drinks. And 12 is order. That's when you are placing your order, the server will write it down or will punch it into a phone or a iPad or something like that. So ordering at a restaurant. So here's another script. Customer. Hello, we are ready to order.
Great. Would you like to start with appetizers?
Yes, we would like to order nachos for 8 people and sweet potato soup.
And for the main course?
We'll order the famous burger with fries, please.
For everyone?
Yes, and for dessert, we'd like cheesecake and coffee.
Okay, thank you. It'll be right out.
Thank you. And oh, can we have more water?
Certainly. I'll bring it out now.
This customer ordered a 3-course meal, an appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. You can also say starter, entree, and dessert. Practice ordering an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert from your favorite restaurant. Read and answer the questions. What did these people order? Salad, a fruit plate, baked pears, soup, coffee, tea, cake, grilled zucchini, candy canes, hamburgers, and lemonade. Out of all of these different foods and drinks on the list, what did they order? What can you see on the table? And here's the answer to the question, what did they order? They ordered salad, a fruit plate, baked pears, grilled zucchini, candy canes, and lemonade. Read and answer the question, what is on the menu? And what kind of food is on the menu? What meal are people having that's on this menu? Take a look at all the different items on the menu. Let's check the answers. It's a breakfast menu. People are eating breakfast in the morning, usually till about 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock noon. People will eat breakfast. They're eating eggs, yogurt parfait, on the menu there are eggs, yogurt parfait, orange juice, croissants, cereal, coffee, pancakes, waffles, and smoothies. The price of the menu is $15 and it's all you can eat. That means you can pay $15 and order as much of the items on the menu as you like. So let's do the class recap. Types of restaurants are fast food, fine dining, buffet, and casual. There are many, many other kinds of restaurants, like different kinds of restaurants that serve different ethnic foods and cafeteria style, and so many different kinds of other restaurants. There are food trucks and many, many other kinds of restaurants. But we looked at the 4 main categories of restaurants: fast food, fine dining, buffet, and casual. What's your favorite type of restaurant? We looked at how to make a reservation and how to order. There's a polite way to make a reservation and to order from people who work at the restaurants. Always remember that people who work at the restaurants are trying their best to serve you, and it's always a good idea to be as polite as possible to them and make their job easier. Restaurant nouns: people, places, and things that you will find in restaurants. We took a look at all the different kinds of restaurant nouns. Well, we took a look at a very small sample of restaurant nouns, but these are words that you will find useful and that are used quite a bit in the English language. Well, that's all for today. I hope you have a great day. Looking forward to the next class.